What's going on? What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead and click subscribe button right down there somewhere. Alright, one of the most popular videos on my channel, which still doesn't have a lot of views, but I don't really care, is the little like 10-second sound clip of the Mustang while I was trying to get it up to temperature. So today I want to walk over what the Mustang has for exhaust, and I think this is the best sounding exhaust you could put on a fox body in basically stock form. By being stock, I mean stock bottom end, stock heads, just a few bolt-ons. So give me a few minutes, I'll pop up and everything, and we'll go over what the car has, and then we'll let you hear it. Alright, so what the car does have that would actually, change the tone of it. It does have a Typhoon intake, 75mm throttle body. It's got a BBK cold air. It's got BBK headers, a BBK X pipe. It's down to MagnaFlows and a, basically a MagnaFlow catback right after the X pipe. It does have an E303 cam, and I mean that's basically it. And like I said, in my opinion, this is one of the best sounding exhausts you could put on this car. I love it. Everybody loves it. It's got really nice lumpy idle with the E303. Still a small cam, but sounds really well. Down to the 2.5-inch MagnaFlows all the way back. I don't know which MagnaFlows they are, but I've never really heard a bad sounding MagnaFlow either. So we just sprayed off the cars. I'm gonna spray out the engine bay right quick, get this bottom of this hood, and then I'll get to cranking it up, let you hear what it sounds like. And just on a side note, Colorado sucks. I just sprayed the cars down, and that is 100%. That's ice. So yeah, but they're really dirty. They needed it. Old Silverado had to get it washing too. All right, guys. Now it's time for this cold start. When I say cold, it's cold, so she's gonna be loud. But here she goes. Alright, so that was a cold start. Like I said, it's got BBK headers, BBK X pipe, MagnaFlows, 2.5-inch, E303 cam, Typhoon intake, BBK throttle body and intake. Something that's really going to affect the sound. And like I said, this is the best sounding, fox body I've ever had. So, if you enjoyed the content, you want to hear us, driving it around, ripping on it, go ahead and comment down below. Tell us to do so. Until then, I'm going to go back inside where it's warm and try to stay warm. And we'll keep on building this beast whenever we get a chance. It's not so cold. But appreciate y'all tuning in, and I'll see y'all next time.